The original planned camera system for the LightShip is not going to happen. It was envisioned to be a 270-degree camera, and it looks like from the documentation on the website that it was primarily focused on making it easier to back up and view the side and rear as you did backups. Based on my experience boondocking for many years, there really is a bigger need for cameras than backing up, and that's security, particularly for a trailer that is designed to go off grid out in the middle of nowhere, not hooked up to a pole at an RV park. You want some kind of system that will not only alert people that you're there, but make it very clear to them they're being videoed if they approach the trailer. So with that in mind, I've installed at this point 3 Reolink 4K cameras that have a robust suite of security features, including the ability to send notifications and emails if there's anyone around or near the trailer. And it will also take very good night video because they have built-in strong lights that will illuminate all around the trailer. So here's the LightShip. Now, the cameras have not been triggered at this point. I'll approach the vehicle. There are 3 cameras on the LightShip, and right now I have 1 camera on the back of the F-150. I may put a 4th camera over the aero hub on the LightShip at some point in the future. So I'll approach the LightShip now. And it's pretty much dark. The iPhone does a really good job of making it look like there's light, but there isn't much. But even with that, before the cameras ignite here, look at how that wrap shines at night. It's really interesting. It shines in the day and it shines at night. So I'll walk close. The cameras are pointing rearward, but there is one on the back of the F-150 that'll probably trigger here in a minute. You can see one of the side cameras here. There goes the F-150, there goes the side camera, the passenger camera on the LightShip. So the F-150 actually saw me first because these side cameras are pointing to the rear. I don't know whether you can see the cameras here at night with the glare, but what I used was the existing camera as a mount for the new cameras. And these are little tiny 4K cameras, and they even have the ability to FTP to a website if you want to put a live video or a live picture through the internet. So we'll walk around here. As you can see, there's plenty of light around this LightShip right now. And here I'll probably trigger the rear camera. There it goes. Quite a light. And then walking around this way, there's the driver's side camera just triggered. So now all 4 cameras are triggered, and they basically, depending on the angle that you approach them, they're about 10 or 15 feet out. All of a sudden, the LightShip is bathed in light, and I am being recorded. I may be able to pull the recording off. There's the one on the back just timed out because it didn't see any more motion. I'll show how this one is mounted until I fire it off. It's just below the old camera. I haven't removed that yet. I'll show the camera over here on the driver's side, on the other side of the glare here. And you can see the mount, I mounted it on the existing pad for the old camera and actually covered up the old camera. I didn't even take it out. So I'm using the old camera as a mount for the new cameras. These cameras are $79 a piece. It's amazing the functionality that they have for $79. They're Wi-Fi'd through a really great app. And you can set the app up to do all sorts of notifications. As soon as those cameras sense motion outside, they'll ring you if you want to set it up that way. I was recently in Bryce Canyon in a regular RV park hooked to the pole, and these lights are going on and off as people were out on their walks at night. And as soon as they got within 15 feet of the LightShip, all the lights would turn on, which makes sense for a LightShip, I guess. There they are firing off again. I think this is probably a better solution even than the Envision 270-degree camera system. It's cheap, it's internet savvy, and its focus is primarily on security. However, I use them regularly to back up, and they do just fine. They even have a setting to reverse the image like a typical backup camera. So if you're looking at it backing up, it looks right. So that's the LightShip camera system in the LightShip Turbo Edition. One of many modifications to this LightShip.